When it comes to central air, the choice you make today is one you're going to live with for the next 15 years. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. I spent my early years as an electrician in nuclear power before trading the reactor floor for the dirt and attics of the HVAC world. After 17 years in this trade, I've seen what works and what turns into a bucket of rust. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the AireForce WSA4BE and the Lennox Merit ML14XC1. These are both ducted split systems sitting in that basic single-stage tier. Let's talk armor. In the field, I've seen coils destroyed by everything from heavy hail to a stray rock kicked up by a lawnmower. The Lennox Merit ML14XC1 comes with a louvered steel coil guard. That's the superior armor I look for because it deflects debris while still letting the unit breathe. The AireForce WSA4BE does not have a louvered coil. You're looking at a wire mesh setup. If you've got kids playing ball nearby or a neighbor who's aggressive with the weed whacker, that AireForce coil is a lot more vulnerable to fin mash. On the electrical side, both of these units are neck and neck with a 14.3 SEER 2 rating. From my background as a nuclear electrician, I can tell you that since these are both single-stage systems, your electrical setup is straightforward. They're either 100% on or 100% off. You won't get the fancy power savings of an inverter, but you're also not dealing with complex, expensive control boards that fail during a summer storm. Neither of these units comes with a compressor blanket, so don't expect them to be the quietest things on the block. They're both hovering around 73 to 76 decibels. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? It's a literal fin-crushing experience that kills your efficiency. This is where the rubber meets the road. AireForce offers a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but Lennox matches that 10-year parts and compressor coverage on the Merit series. Neither of these basic models offers a no-hassle unit replacement. If that compressor dies in year 5, they'll give you the part, but you're still footing the bill for the labor and the refrigerant, which isn't cheap. If I'm the one standing in your backyard, I'm giving the win to the Lennox Merit ML14XC1. Even though the technical specs and warranties are almost identical, the Lennox wins on build quality. That louvered steel cabinet is the difference between a unit that looks like a war zone in 5 years and one that stays protected. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one. On this